Hello everybody, now I'm going to show you how to do number 5. Alright, on this one it says to solve the equation by completing the square. And don't forget the cheer. Move the constant to the other side, factor out and divide. Take half of b and square it, then add it to both sides. Then factor and solve. Then factor and solve. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move my constant to the other side. So in this case I would have to add 1 to both sides of the equation. And that would leave me with x squared minus 4x. And I'll leave my space equals 1. And then I will take my b, which in this case is negative 4, and take half of it. So negative 4 divided by 2 will give me negative 2, and square it, which equals 4. Then that's what I'm going to add to both sides. Now I'm about to factor this trinomial right here. And remember the trick that I told you guys, you can always go back to this number that you squared and write it in the parentheses with x. So it'll be x minus 2 squared equals 1 plus 4 is 5. Now I'm going to solve. In order to get rid of that squared, I have to take the square root of both sides. And so that will cancel out the squared. I'll have x minus 2. And the square root of 5 is not a perfect square, nor can I break it down or simplify it. So I'll leave it as plus or minus the square root of 5. Now I'm going to separate it to be x minus 2 equals square root of 5, and x minus 2 equals negative square root of 5. So then I'll add 2 to both sides. And so my first solution will give me square root of 5 plus 2. And then, of course, add 2 to both sides. And my second solution will give me negative square root of 5 plus 2.